this video I'm going to show you how to create a responsive text box. We start off with placing some text on the artboard. After that we're going to open up the appearance panel. You can find the appearance panel over here on the right side, and if you can't find it you can also get it from here, window, and then select appearance. Now make sure that the text is selected. And then we're going to create two new fills in the appearance panel by clicking twice on this icon. This will give us one fill for the text and one fill for the text box. So to make changes to the text color, you can select the first fill and change the color of it. And now let's create the actual text box. To do so, select the second fill and then head over to Effects. Now select Convert to Shape, and here you can select if you want a rectangle or a rounded rectangle. After the selection, a menu will pop up where you can make changes to the size of the text box. So you can fill in the extra width, and you can fill in the extra height and the corner radius. When you're done making the changes to the text box, you can click on OK. So when editing the text with the type tool, the text box will be responsive with the text. And this will also work when you have multiple lines. Now let's say that the text is not in the center of the text box. To fix that, you can select the fill of the text in the appearance panel. Then head over to Effects, select Distort and Transform, and then select Transform. This will pop up a menu where you can make changes to the position of the text within the text box. When you're done with changing the position, you can click on OK and the settings will stay applied. You can always come back to the appearance panel to make changes to the color or effects for the text and the text box. And that is how you make a responsive text box in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching, and please consider to subscribe if any of this helped you.